Hi, Felisman back again. Going to be washing Ben with this. The 411 has been to some off-road sessions and it's all dirty now. Not that dirty. I did give it a wash. Like took off all the harsh, hard muck with a water wash and just a wash, no soap. I'm going to be going with soap now. This is from TRM Calidad. It is a pan-India company. They operate out of Mumbai. Manufacturing plant is in Mumbai and they are a pan-India company. They're doing pretty well for themselves. So we'll just give this a try. The best thing about this is eco-friendly. pH neutral, eco-friendly product. That's their USP. That's what they use to promote the brand. And you know that you're not going to be harming the paint. You're not going to be harming your skin either if you were to use something like this. A pH neutral product is hard to come by these days. And yeah, so also one thing that I like about this is 3-in-1. This has a hand wash. This can double up as a hand wash and a wiper liquid for your car. Unbelievable. That's the best thing about this, if you ask me. Foam wash, wiper liquid and hand wash all in one. Interesting. Quite a loud packaging. Very easy to spot in any shelf. To my liking, maybe not, but yeah. We'll give this a shot and see how this works. About 30 milliliters from that. Poured it into a spray can with some water. There was a water about 10 millimeters, so 10 milliliters, so that will roughly make it 10-20 milliliters. So that'll totally make it a 50 milliliter concoction. Quite concentrated. So I'm going to be spraying this on all the dirt and muck areas, and then we'll what they say is that there you go, spray and wipe. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to be seeing if that works, or should I wash it clean again after I've done applying this. So I'm going to be washing the bike first, then going ahead with spraying this on the motorcycle, and then finally just wiping it clean with a microfiber and see if that will work. If that works, this would be an amazing product to recommend to you guys. The engine is clean, super clean, so not going to be bothering with the engine. I usually just do the bottom half. The top half is just usually wiping it off. Unless and of course I've had a fall. Time for TRM Calidad to show us what it's made of. These are important areas. That should be it. A little more underneath here. We'll see about this. We'll see how this does. Okay, so some 10 minutes have passed and let's see what this can do. That's muck right there. Let's see if this can actually be enough. A nice wipe. This is an off-road motorcycle, and all I care about is components moving freely, no rusting, no rotting away, because that can prove to be detrimental in the middle of a ride. Where most off-road riders go wrong is they don't understand the importance of maintaining an off-road motorcycle. Bloody on-road machines kept well. Kept really well. Everybody takes care of machines that go on-road, but nobody cares a shit about machines that go off-road. In India, surprisingly, the culture is very different. Well, an off-road motorcycle needs more care any day than an on-road motorcycle. Components need to be swapped every other day. Everything has to be top-notch, condition to perform well, to not let you down in the middle of a ride. And I could just go on and on and on what it takes. My channel has enough material for you fellas to see what to do, what not to do as far as an off-road motorcycle is concerned. But yeah, even my channel falls short. Like there's just nothing in my channel which is going to compare to what the truth is, the truth of maintaining off-road motorcycles. My God, there's just so much to do. There's just so much to do constantly after every single ride. Yeah, so this thing does work, and yeah, all that left over, I just wiped it. I wiped it with a microfiber, and I haven't washed it. And if you guys can watch, that explains that point over there. Spray and wipe, don't really have to wash it again. Interesting. So yeah, just like the windshield wiper that does its job, this also has that tendency of removing muck, and you don't really have to wash the motorcycle afterwards. So yep, I'm gonna definitely give it a big thumbs up. This does work. There's no need for me to wash it now. Well, am I recording? Yes, I am. This is the most important step after washing your vehicle. Taking it out on a spin. Especially motorcycles, fellas. Every damn thing on a motorcycle, every single bearing, the electrical components, my God, I could just be threatened by the thought of it. How much of it is being exposed to the elements? And water is a slow killer. The more you expose your bike to water, the more you are killing it. Without your knowledge, you're killing it. Slowly, steadily, but yes, this is going to die. So, the most important thing, one procedure that saves you a lot of headache in the future is, once you're done with the wash, take the bike on a spin. Don't rev too harsh, too high. Keep the engine temperature climbing gradually, not quickly, not suddenly, because this water and heat, cold and hot, like this kind of cold, when you use water to clean your motorcycle, every damn thing shrinks, the metal shrinks, and when you start running the motorcycle again, it starts expanding because of the heat. And this is not very a nice area. This is not very healthy for the gaskets. The gaskets give up. What happened to Ben, why Ben started leaking, could be attributed greatly to the gasket giving up and me not paying attention to the wash business. Lately, it's been a very erratic weather in Chennai. It rains and then it shines. It rains and then the sun comes up. So it was a cyclonic storm yesterday and day before, and today there you go. Until about afternoon it was crazy weather, and now the skies are clearing up, the sun is back again. So this has been an on and off thing in Chennai, and yeah, so I wasn't really paying attention to the washing business. Twice or thrice I got the bike back home nice and hot, and I immediately went ahead and washed it. I mean, yeah, you know how it is when you have two motorcycles to take care of. You kind of go a little easy on one. And so poor Ben, my trusted steed, is starting to be neglected, and I had to pay the price for it. Or it could just be an old gasket, who knows. But yeah, this thing, taking the bike out on a spin after a wash goes a long way in the health of your motorcycle, fellas. A long way. Do this so that you have a healthy running motor. Do this periodically, without fail. Every single time you wash, take the bike out, go for a nice long ride, and that should take care of things for you. This is how I would like to end this video. If this helped, look at that. Just look at that, fellas. Just look at where I live. If you like the video, a big thumbs up is the least that I can expect from you. And yep, if this helped in any which way, it helped. There's nothing more to it. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.